Welcome to the Crypto Global channel. Subscribe to the channel to find crypto investment opportunities.
This video is sponsored by LaunchZone.
What is shitcoin? The game zero to hero, or just a bunch of shit falling from the sky. Recently, blockchain networks received a sudden increase in the number of users, causing these systems to stall, especially transactions that were blocked for a long time, and transaction fees spiked on Ethereum and Ethereum platforms. Binance Smart Chain. This phenomenon occurred largely because a large number of investors became interested in and invested in the animal trend. These animal coins are called shitcoins by the community because of their lack of application, but thanks to their huge and very fast profitability, they can still survive in the harsh crypto world. So, what are shitcoins and should you invest in them? What is shitcoin? According to each investor, the concept of shitcoin will be different. Some people think that shitcoin is the whole altcoin because in the electronic market, most coin traders use Bitcoin to buy other altcoins, so when Bitcoin increases in price, the altcoin Bitcoin exchange rate will decrease. The cash value may not change, but your Bitcoins may be reduced, and these coins suddenly become shits when they do not help increase assets. Some people think that shitcoins are just worthless coins, not in the top at all. The price is constantly falling, the ability to swing to the top when buying is very high, and there is no chance to recover when it is discharged. There are also people who think that all coins come from shitcoins and then turn into gold and diamonds. They are new projects, little known and need time to develop. But most generally, we can understand that shitcoins are coins that are unable to retain investors and have no long-term development potential. Life cycle of a shitcoin. Foundation of shitcoin. When considering a coin token, we usually study its FA, fundamental analysis, and TA, technical analysis. The essence of FA is to tell a story we can believe in, a basis on which we can hope for a bright future. TA will be a representation of the greed of people, of investors who believe in that story. The crowd's greed for profitability, the possibility of that story being true, is the main driving force behind the price of shitcoins. It doesn't even need a story, just something that makes people believe it's profitable, something that makes the win rate greater than 50%. Examples for this are animal coins like Doge, Sheep, Aquagoat, Akita, etc. get incredibly large FOMO even though there's no app worth mentioning. The community only knows that currently coins related to dogs are popular thanks to billionaire Elon Musk, so they buy them. That's all, whether it's worth it or not. Many sheep buyers have even had a few $1,000,000 from a few $100 of initial investment. Or even just a picture of Facebook boss Mark Zuckerberg taking a pair of goats with a crypto-related status line, so Aquagoat coin was born and skyrocketed in price. That is the simplest picture of a true shitcoin. But we also need to avoid confusing shitcoins with potential coins that look like shit in the early stages when few people know about it. A coin has 3 stages of development. The stage of just implementing the project, small market cap. This is the stage where the coin looks like shit the most. Maybe the project is doing well, but it hasn't been proven much and hasn't been known by many people, so at first glance it will look like a bunch of other shit. At this time, the coin will plug in or go sideways depending on the coolness of team dev's hand. The team also poured more money into marketing after raising capital and helped more people know about the project. After a while, shit will be on some grass floors, available on CoinMarketCap, CoinEcho. Develope. Shit increased sharply, even shit was listed on the exchange and increased super strong, capitalization increased rapidly, to higher rankings on CoinMarketCap. But after a while, being a good coin suddenly turned into shit for some reason. For example, sued, investigated, founder quit the project, or like the case of TRX plagiarism whitepaper. In the end, shit becomes shit again. Shit plug had a go not back. Delisted from the floor, disappeared without a trace in the world. Or luckier shit sideways goes sideways for a long time. At this time, with a large community and a large amount of coins, the shit dev team didn't want to waste money and started researching more deeply about the actual application, launching products for shit. Thanks to that, shit began to be widely known and used, increasing in price gradually. Seeing the shit increase in price again, the brothers told each other that the good stuff would return to its rightful place and then fuck again. Shitcoin level up. Once there is a practical application, shit is now wearing a new coat. Now the shit has turned into jewels, into gold, into diamonds. Shit continues to grow, fly high and beyond to create new heights and go through events, FUD, lawsuits, etc. And continue SML. And continue the development loop. However, there is another type of shitcoin coin. This is a type of shitcoin whose life cycle is very short, like the recent Animal Coins, May 2021, or SafeMoon and the Safe XYZ categories. Why do they form a trend? The market is gloomy. At the moment, the market is continuously falling and is quite gloomy. Many new investors in the market immediately encountered a strong uptrend phase, constantly being caffeined in the feeling of buying and eating, buying XXX accounts. So when the market falls, people are not used to that feeling and look for better opportunities, XXX faster. And fortunately, this shitcoin trend does just that. Investor greed. Almost all of us humans have the blood of grace in us and always like something fun. Once again, shitcoin has the ability to do this when there are many living witnesses about X 10,000 times, X 100,000 times, even millions of times the investment. Everyone knows that gambling is a bad thing, you will lose anyway, but you keep diving in because it's simply fun and addictive. So it's normal to spend a few $100s to play the lottery. It's not a lot of money for one person, but there are many people who like such bets, so it creates a huge cash flow. And having the opportunity to become a millionaire is also an attractive thing, isn't it? A study has also shown that, when we are happy, we tend to shop more. This is quite similar to buying shitcoin. It gives us a strong feeling, the feeling of excitement when money jumps continuously and at a very fast rate. We do not need to wait patiently for a long time like investing in traditional coins. Crowd effect. The last factor is the crowd effect. When family members buy shitcoins, everyone owns tons of shitcoins in their wallet. Hoarding a few is also something cool and trendy. Especially when celebrities and KOLs also shill and talk about the shitcoin trend, it becomes a fun topic of discussion. Is it safe to invest these shitcoins? There is no denying the crazy growth of shitcoin, but it also comes with the possibility of a sudden drop in price. With a very fast asset multiplier, shitcoin will always be under great selling pressure from investors who have X2, X5, X10. If there is no good marketing, no continuous new cash flow, the buying force will quickly weaken and the price will no longer grow strongly. After a while, early investors multiplied their accounts several thousand times. It was inevitable that they would take profits. Large profit takings will lead to fear, eventually triggering a mass profit-taking effect because of fear of collapse, from which shitcoin returns to its true value as a pile of shit. At this point, no matter what product the project makes, there are too many people swinging to the top and just waiting for the price to rise to sell. Therefore, it is impossible to push the price up again, and this is also the end of a stormy period of shit. With the philosophy of life, it is better to be once glorious and then disappear than to glimmer for 100 years. Invest shitcoins. Should you invest in shitcoin or not? In this regard, I would like to return to the definition of shitcoin at the beginning of the article. If you think that shitcoins are new coins in the development stage, the market cap is small and has good growth potential, then you should give it a place in your portfolio. Coins like these, although they account for a small part of the investment capital, often bring the highest returns. Note, just consider it as a venture capital should not spend too much capital. On the other hand, if you think that shitcoins are coins that go on and off, we should use the word play. Playing shitcoin would be a pretty standard word because this coin is only scooped for fun, quick to withdraw, and the profitability is also quite good if you know how to hunt. If you want to make a profit in this niche, then take advantage of reading the news a lot, wandering around many groups to get information, because in this category, who is the fastest wins. If you are informed and quick to react, then I believe you will make a lot of money from shit and become a rich, shit-picking expert. But remember, it is only true during times of market excitement and high FOMO. As for those of you who are not familiar with trading and react slowly to news but still want to pick up shit, I have nothing to say. Any notes when investing shitcoin? With the recent experience of loading shit, I would like to have some advice for new mats. Closing capital when profitable. The life cycle of each shitcoin is too short, making it impossible for investors to risk putting money in and holding it like traditional projects. Usually, investors should lock the principal when there is a profit, x2, and the profit can be kept as long as you can because you have preserved your capital. Only invest in new projects. Due to the short life cycle, investors should not invest in projects that have been deployed for a while but are not effective. There is no magic to help it bounce back when you buy at the bottom, it just dies slowly. Only invest with a good position. The fact that the shitcoins have multiplied too many times will make its profit-taking pressure extremely large. Unlike traditional projects, investors are willing to hold their coins for a long time. Players will sell when they feel that the buying power of new chickens has run out. Just because someone has x5 x10 for that one coin doesn't mean that you will buy x5 x10 like them, but dividing 5 by 10 is possible. Only with nice positions and the base lock can you wait for the shitcoins to fly higher. Good positions here can include buying from the pre-sale or just finish the first sale of our pre-sale, or you can quickly buy a bargain when it's just listed. Always check if liquidity is locked. If you invest in a coin that is not locked by liquidity pool, it is better to exit immediately or always keep an eye on the screen and wait to see when dev will pull out liquidity and discharge it on investors' heads. To run if there's still time, always watch out for bots. There are some very potential projects and you are one of the earliest investors to know about the project. You think you will quickly x5 x10 when you are the first to buy the token and have put all your capital to hunt when the sale is open. But sorry if you can't buy it because you may have had bots that pushed the price up almost immediately after the token was listed, so spend your capital and keep an eye on the price when buying. Usually there are a lot of zeros so it's easy to mistake, e.g. 0.00000001. If you don't accidentally miss it, you will have a hard time seeing the way to the shore. Where to look for shitcoin projects? Reputable launchpad platforms. These platforms provide a number of functions to help users limit fraudulent projects such as locking the liquidity pool to prevent dev from being able to withdraw liquidity, also known as rug pull. In addition, pre-sales will go through these platforms, so there will be no investors who mistakenly transfer money to fake wallets. There are some famous launchpads that you can refer to such as DXSale, UniCrypt, general marketing channels of crypto projects. Currently I am using CoinHunt as a tool to filter out new projects, with a strong support community. There are a few items you need to pay attention to. Promoted coins. Coins that pay CoinHunt to be promoted. With old coins that still use ads to reach new users, it proves that the dev team is still working seriously on that project. Can check these projects and invest if you prefer. Today's best emerging projects of the day. Usually I will look for projects that are about to be released to research rather than projects that have been in the works for a while. There are too many reasons above. All-time best. This part is just for fun, but I don't think it makes much sense. Communities dedicated to playing shitcoins. Every day hundreds of shitcoins are born. You can't have enough time to find all their information, especially when the experience is not much. Some communities have professional shit pickers with a lot of experience who will help you choose the coins that seem to be the best. Then I will introduce you to some of the communities that I am active in. Shitcoin players. This is a vibrant community and definitely the most smelly community because every player has passed through many shitcoin projects. The players are constantly sharing shitcoin bets, but you should follow the reputable bets that are pinned to the top by the admins. Liquidity mining signal. Currently, the liquidity mining blog team has a share of deals related to spot, future and of course shitcoins. Please join the channel to exchange and answer the questions you are wondering.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to follow our next videos. Wish you success with the crypto market.